So what are we doing, Mama?
I'm making Rice Krispie treats for his birthday.
Rice Krispie treats for the birthday boy. So what do you have me doing right here?
You're stirring, but you're not doing a very good job.
What you doing, Mama?
Making Rice Krispie treats for Harlan's birthday party.
Rice Krispie treats for the birthday boy. You want to take a look?
No.
Okay. So right now you're stirring up a big old pot of marshmallows, huh?
And butter.
And butter. Marshmallows and butter.
Everything's better with a stick of butter.
Yeah. Alright, so how do we make Rice Krispie treats, Allie?
Well, I have tripled the recipe, but according to an unknown site, 18 tablespoons of salted butter, a 48-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, 3 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract, and 18 cups of Rice Krispie treats, or Rice Krispie cereal. So first, you melt all the butter on medium heat, and then you add in all of the marshmallows except for 1 cup. Then, once everything is melted, so if you see this right now, this isn't melted yet. It's getting there, but it's not melted yet. I mean, you want it to be, I guess, look like the Fluffernutter stuff, but not this. So, anyways. So once everything is melted, as in the butter and marshmallows, you reduce the heat to low, and then you add in the vanilla extract and Rice Krispies. And then you place it in a pan to cool for 1 hour. These are his cakes. Well, I had left the top 3 are his cakes, but I'm gonna put them all together. The bottom one,
What are you doing now?
I am testing to make sure they're all good. You can do it with a toothpick, but I do not know where our toothpicks are. And I believe they are, I think they're done.
They look cooked all the way
They're
through.
done.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to put them on this cooling rack. Thank you, assistant. So putting them on the cooling rack to cool. Well, the one at the bottom is still a bit jiggly.
Well, it's on the bottom, so why don't you move it to the top so it'll cook?
Thank you, assistant.
Heat does rise.
Now, for the folks at home, do you see this pan at the bottom? That is what you do when you aren't used to baking and you've seen your husband before overflow a pan.
Oh.
So that's what you do to not have a mess in your oven. I'm sure
Yes.
there's other things you can do, but this is what I did for now. Now we're gonna do 5 more minutes. Let's see how that goes. So, now back to our mixture.
Regularly scheduled program, if you will.
I will.
Yes.
Still melting everything. It's a workout. Zoom in for the people. So this is starting to get, to the melted stage that I referenced earlier. Keep in mind, everyone, this is my first time ever making homemade Rice Krispie treats, so bear with me.
As we said earlier, husband overflowed the oven.
Yeah,
Yeah, when he was cooking dinner.
I'm learning from your mistakes.
Oh.
Thanks, honey.
Oh man. So when do
Which
you?
was ambidextrous.
Yeah. When do you put Rice Krispies in?
Once it's all melted, but we still have some non-meltedness going on.
Would you like to trade?
No.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. you go.
Alright, well, I think we'll,
Well, I think
are we good?
good. So
We'll cut the video.
from here, we do 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're gonna reduce the heat. Put them in bed.
And remember the trick to clear up to a tablespoon. How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon? Just remember there's 3 teacups on the table. There's 3 teaspoons. There's 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon.
Show the people.
Honey, they can see it, I promise.
Well, some people like to know. This isn't one of those sites where you have to scroll all the way into the story to see the recipe. We're in the moment. People know what I'm talking about.
In the moment. Well, if anyone is still watching 6.5 minutes into this video, let us know. Very interesting. I hope so. Let us know if you guys find it entertaining or not. And hopefully everybody finds it yummy once we make these. Oh, I'm kind of holding this crooked. Doo-doo-doo.
We've removed from the heat and stirred everything in, except for the cereal. So add in the cereal. Okay, great. And we're having 18 cups of Rice Krispie treats.
18 cups of Rice Krispies. And for anybody wondering, Harlan is asleep. We got the baby monitor. We'll listen for him if he makes a fuss, but hopefully he just keeps sleeping. Is there gonna be enough in that box?
That's an excellent question. 3.
Is that pan gonna be enough to hold?
That is an excellent question.
I'm kind of thinking not at this point.
Probably should have split this up.
Well, we're gonna have some really marshmallow treats. 4. Counting with Mom. You know you're doing more than...
What?
Hey honey, is that 1 cup or 2 cups?
That is 1.
1? Okay. This is why our oven's dirty. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, for everybody watching, in the future, when you open an oven, you need to make sure that you turn away when it first comes
I'm
out.
gonna watch the brows and the lashes.
Brows and lashes, especially if you wear contact lenses, because if you wear contact lenses, you could end up burning them onto your eyes, which would not be fun for anyone.
Yay!
Alright. So what number were you on?
8?
You were on 6.
No, I was.
Alright guys, we may have to back this video up so we can confirm. I'm pretty sure we were on 6. So both of us were wrong and we had 7 in there before. Now we have 10 in there. Glad we filmed that because both of us were wrong. She thought we had 8, I thought we had 6. We actually had 7. It's fine. That's why we video. So we can figure these things out. You got it, honey. If at any point you want me to do it, just let me know.
Do it myself.
Okay, do it yourself. Miss Independent.
Miss Artificial. Miss.
I thought it was Miss Unafraid.
That's next.
Oh, okay. Oh, man.
I think I need a different utensil.
Possibly.
Taste test?
No.
Is it no?
No, I'll try it at the end. Would you like this one?
Nice now. Oh yeah.
It's fluffy right there. Are you supposed to put more Rice Krispies in, or is that about all that's fitting?
It's supposed to be more. You know, I probably just should have read the box, not the online. It's fine.
Alright.
Because this says 6 cups of Rice Krispies.
It looks like Rice Krispies to me right now, honey.
And that's 24 bars. Oh, can I get in the microwave?
Who needs a gym membership? You can just bake.
I think we're good.
Alright. There.
What do I need?
I thought you were gonna put it down, make it easier. That way you're not putting the hot thing directly on the island. I would be. Oh, I'm surprised it's coming out. Sticky as that is.
That's all I got.
That's all she's got, folks.
I need help.
What do you need me to do?
I need you to hold things.
All right, video off.
What I would suggest is cut some parchment paper and put it in that small one.
Can I run with these?
No. You go back to kindergarten?
Maybe. I feel like I've been in school my
At least
whole
you
life.
got, you don't have any naps in kindergarten anymore in some states?
Cut it. I did it well.
Honey, you're doing great.
Yeah, I tried using a little.
I appreciate your help. Apple pepper's ready.
Yes, sir. Nothing more.
In a moment. Maybe I should have oiled my hands first. Probably should have done that.
At least you washed your hands.
I did.
There you go.
My children watching this. Better watch out. This is great.
Okay, let's get the next one going.
Hey!
At some point, I do have to go work on papers for my PhD. There's the spoon.
Yahoo!
Just look at that. cheese.
Yeah, but I can't see in there. Sorry.
I feel like we're gonna break the pot. Okay, quit eating the Rice Krispies.
What do you want me to do?
Get them out of the thing without eating all the product.
I'm not eating all the product. I'm taste testing. I'm quality control.
That's Remy's job.
Yeah, well, Remy has gotten a little thick lately because of our child eating him from the table.
I don't think this pot will ever be the same.
Yes, it will. A little Dawn can't fix. Never gonna be good with that right now.
So much extra.
I can take it to work.
We need another. There's room in that container. There's a little more in there. There. Oh, jeez, it's like glue. Ugh. Oh, gosh. I think I'm gonna break the spoon.
We have made an error. Do not oil our hands. Take it away. Take it away.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, there's room. Make it work. Gosh. This is hard.
Cookies hard. Okay.
Gosh, scraping noises there. Or something.
Note to the people.
Don't use good cookware.
No. Well, maybe. But, oil your hands before you do this.
No,
Whee!
it's like one of those games your kids play with the string. Like the Eiffel Tower and stuff.
Okay, oil your hands, please. Are they yummy?
They're very yummy. Oil thy hands.
Okay, I'm just gonna eat this. But really, oil your hands.
All right, so okay, so we've got a tin of Rice Krispies here. Said they sit for how long?
An hour.
An hour. His birthday cakes for this weekend.
-1.
Nice one for us. And then another 10 here, and then
They don't need to see that.
this
They don't need to see that.
poor pot.
That's not important right now.
This poor pot that will never be the same again.
They never should clean up on the cooking show.
They probably should. Discourage people from cooking. Alright, but hey, either way, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you guys thought it was funny, even if it was a bit long. And best of luck if you guys try this.
It's magic.
It's oil. In the future, spray your hands before you touch them because it makes it considerably less sticky. Have fun. This is Cooking with Mom.